In this short video, we are going to look at the difference between artificial narrow intelligence and artificial general intelligence. We will have a lengthy lecture on this later on, but for now, we will quickly look at what are these things and how do they differ. So, uh, narrow AI and AGI differs based on the capabilities. So the best example we can give is think of an artificial intelligence program which is playing chess. So this chess playing program would be able to most probably defeat all the champions in the world. So it is a very intelligent program. But the problem is its expertise are very narrow. That means uh, that program only knows to do one thing, that is playing chess. If we ask it to do if we ask it to drive a car, write a poem, do a painting or something, it will not know how to do that because its capabilities are very narrow. So that is why these two, the way we define these two are based on capabilities. Now, on the other hand, when we come to AGI, that is artificial general intelligence, the thing is it's more like humans. Like we might not be able to do things at a excellent level, but we are able to do most things at a reasonable level, right? So even if someone who has not seen something like playing cricket or baseball or basketball, they can just look at someone doing that and quickly understand, okay, this is how it's played, I can play that too, right? And in the next minute, if we show him how to play basketball, he will quickly understand what is what, right? Then we can teach him how to paint, how to sing, how to ride a bicycle. So that, but he will not be become, most probably not become the best basketball player, but he has a general idea of doing everything, almost everything. So that is artificial general intelligence. So all the things, all the programs that we have today are falling into the artificial narrow intelligence category because they can do super things but on a very limited domain, on very limited um, field. But when it comes to AGI, we don't have an AGI right now in the world, but when some company or someone develops an AGI, we are very not entirely clear what would happen, because now essentially we have created something very similar to how humans are learning. And that means we don't know what it will do. Will it learn more and self improve and go to a superhuman intelligence? And what will it do? Will it take control of the society? Will it just leave us alone or do its own thing? We don't know. So uh, some people are saying it will come around 2050 and some are saying it will come around 2100. Regardless what the timeline is, the difference is, okay, narrow intelligence, that means he is capable of doing something in a very limited domain. AGI means it's a general intelligence, and that is much more valuable than narrow intelligence when we are speaking about creating something very similar to human intelligence.